Assalamu alaikum. The fast changing environment of business and the disruptions and depending economies has created the challenges to move in the desired direction and to reach to the desired outcome in the business. That has demanded to go and apply the systems and the approach which helps organizations and professionals together to move in strategic directions effectively. My extensive exposure to business and industries, and particularly on projects, has helped me to gather the insights that is helpful for businesses to move in strategic directions and build the competence which withstands the requirement of the present time. That insights have been captured in my book, that is Project Management and Leadership Challenges, volume 1 to 4. In each volume, that is volume 1, has been captured to help organizations to transform in line with the project management approach and build the competence which is required to withstand the present time challenges. Essentially, the business is required to be moved continuously in a strategic direction, and that is possible only and only when the continuous improvement is taking place. And continuous improvement can take place only when you have effective systems and self-improving systems and the professionals who are conscious and trained enough to build not only their own competence but together with the organization's advancement in the strategic directions. So all this is captured in my book, and for that to bring better understanding, the review sessions are going to take place. From first session is going to take place on 11th of this month, that is next week, and the review is going to be provided on this volume 1, and it will help the professionals and the organizations to know what exactly can help them to move in the strategic directions with the required strength and competence.